In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Crunchyroll app on your Samsung Smart TV so you can watch and enjoy all of your anime shows and programs from your Samsung Smart TV. Now basically, what you want to do is to first of all make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet, and then you just want to use your remote control to open up the Samsung App Store. So scroll horizontally from the home of your Samsung Smart TV to the left hand side until you get to apps, which is basically the Samsung App Store. Now go ahead and select apps. Now once the Samsung App Store opens up, you want to scroll over to the top search bar at the top over here. So scroll over to the top until you get to this search icon over here. Go ahead and select it. Now from the search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for Crunchyroll. So use your remote control to navigate through this virtual keyboard over here. And even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Crunchyroll app at the top left corner of my Samsung Smart TV. So what you want to do is to just scroll over to the top and select the Crunchyroll app over there. Go ahead and select it just like so. Now from here, what you want to do is to just go ahead and click on the install button over here. Now this is just going to take a minute or two and the Crunchyroll app will be installed into your Samsung Smart TV. Remember, if you do not have a Samsung App Store account, then you cannot download any app from the Samsung App Store. So if you actually get the prompts to create an account, then just go ahead and create an account, and then you should be able to install the app from the App Store. Now go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button over here. And finally, we have the Crunchyroll app running smoothly on our Samsung Smart TV. And from here, you can go ahead and log in if you already have an account by just clicking on the login button. Now go ahead and scan the QR code over here, which will automatically take you to the Crunchyroll website where you can just log in with your account using your mobile phone, and automatically the app will also be logged in on your Samsung Smart TV. Alternatively, if you do not have an account, then you just want to scroll down until where you get to create an account over here. And from here, you can actually go ahead and create an account by entering your email and your password, and then just click on create an account, and you should be able to just create an account directly from here. Finally, if you come over to the home of our Samsung Smart TV now, and then just scroll over to where we have apps over here, you can literally see that the Crunchyroll app has now been added into the list of apps on our Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.